Welcome! If you want to turn on or off the location tags in photo in Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, then at first you have to click on the camera button here, and now we go to the settings in the right corner, then to the settings more advanced in the left corner, and here we have to slide down to the general settings, and as you can see here we have the save location info, and by using this button we can turn on and off the location tags. When we want to turn it on, the important thing here is to make the connection with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and the location. And to show you how it works, I'm going to take a picture, and we go to the preview, and now to the details here of our picture. And as you can see here we have the location tags, so greetings from Krakow. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.